Alright, for those of you who haven't enrolled yet, I would like to show you what you will get when you enroll in this program and what it will do for you and your startup. If you've already enrolled, feel free to skip this video because you already have access to the sections, so you can start right there. Okay, as I've said, I found 8 critically important areas entrepreneurs from all walks of life have to master. First, you will get access to the entrepreneur who feels the fear but does it anyway. That's the first section of the program. Here you will learn how to act despite fear and achieve your business goals. Top 4 techniques to deal with fear. We will dig deep at the causes and circumstances that make us feel the fear of failure. And a mental shift, how to perceive failure and the opinions of 4 brilliant entrepreneurs. This is what we should all model. The price tag of this section is $97. The second section you will get access to when you enroll today is called The Entrepreneur with a Strong Passion. Here you will learn how to connect your passion to the marketplace. Understand what passion does to your sales. This is especially important if you're the face of the startups and running the marketing. And how to choose what businesses to get involved with. The price tag of section number 2 is $97, so you're getting the entrepreneur who feels the fear but does it anyway, $97, and the entrepreneur with a strong passion, $97. That's total value of $194. When you join today, you will get access to section number 3, the entrepreneur who does it for the money. This is one of my favorite sections for many reasons, but the strongest one is that by listening the opinions of successful entrepreneurs, we often see that that's not what we think, and as a result, an inner conflict happens in our minds. We'll be talking about the entrepreneurial evolution and how attitude towards money changes with each stage. How to have money as a primary motivator and don't feel bad about it. And top 3 mindsets that will take you where you want to be financially. The price tag of this section is $67. So you're getting the entrepreneur who feels the fear but does it anyway, $97. The entrepreneur with strong passion, $97. The entrepreneur who does it for the money, $67. That's total value of $261. But that's not all. The next section you will get access to is the entrepreneur who delivers 10x value. As soon as I understood the concepts from this section, my information product business started growing. And the key word here is focus. This section will show exactly what activities to focus on in your startup regardless of the market you're in. After you complete the section, all the development decisions you make will be customer driven because this concept alone may save you tens of thousands of dollars. You will learn how to increase the value you deliver to the marketplace and as a result, increase your revenue. The price tag of this section is $47. So in addition to the first 3 sections, you're getting the entrepreneur who delivers 10x value and the total value becomes $308. The next section you will get access to is the entrepreneur has 24 hours a day. Here you will discover the most effective way to prioritize tasks, identify top time-wasting activities to boost your personal productivity, and how to apply the most powerful time management technique I've ever tried. It's called 50-50-30. By the way, it's adjustable, so it would be easy for you to get started with it and see results fast. Price tag, $87. We add that to the rest of the sections and the total value becomes $395. Next, you're going to access section number 6. The entrepreneur takes massive action. Let me tell you something. I believe in every concept explained in this program, as it's been tested personally by myself and recommended by the most successful entrepreneurs on the planet. This concept right here is the foundation for all success. No matter how good you are, if you don't do it, you will never succeed. You will learn how to avoid the most common trap entrepreneurs fall in: overlearning and underdoing. Identify the causes why you don't take action. Adapt the 4 mentalities of an action-oriented entrepreneur. Price tag, $47. We add the entrepreneur takes massive action section and that's total value of $442. Next, the entrepreneur on a hunt for practical knowledge. I've never seen stupid and extremely successful entrepreneurs, have you? People often talk about how great Elon Musk is and talk about his achievements and the billion-dollar companies, but rarely people talk about his learning skills and his passion for learning. This section is critically important because as entrepreneurs, we live in times of uncertainty and fast change. We adapt to change by learning and applying information, and yes, speed matters here. I'll share with you the types of knowledge and what you should be looking for, how entrepreneurs learn, and the most powerful learning advice I've ever been given when I was in Copenhagen. The 4 learning styles by David Kolb. By the way, these styles are about how we learn, but also how we do marketing and pass on our message. The concept of neuroplasticity and the physical changes that happen in our brain when we learn and practice in much, much more. The price tag of this section, the entrepreneur on a hunt for practical knowledge, is $67. And finally, the last section of the program, the entrepreneur has an opportunity radar. We'll be talking about industries to look for and industries to stay away from. How to identify good opportunities, what opportunities to stay away from at all costs, regardless of how attractive they might appear. We'll take a look at an example I call the chain of opportunities and a lot more. The price tag, $37. So with the last section, the total value becomes $546. Obviously, I won't charge you $546. But if I did charge you $446, and all it did was to save you months of hard work and thousands of dollars in development costs, would it be worth it? If all my program did was increase your productivity and save you just 10 hours per month, that's 120 hours per year, would it be worth it? I remember when I was trading my hours for money, that's a lot of time. If all it did was to help you spot lucrative opportunities, would it be worth it? Now, listen, I'm not Steve Jobs or Elon Musk, nor will I ever be. In fact, that's not my mission. I'm on a journey right now. I live the entrepreneurial life. I don't have all the answers, but throughout my journey, I found concepts that work and I want to share them with you. I'll be honored if you join me. Let's walk together towards our goals. So let me ask you this. If you shifted your mindset and had the ability to think like an A-class entrepreneur, what would it be worth to you? I really want to give you a special offer because entrepreneurs have a very special place in my heart. Is I believe we change the world and make life easier. That's why the price of this program is $199. Now, you have 2 choices. The first choice is to do nothing and don't enroll in the program, which is 100% risk-free. And the second choice is to make a tiny investment and give it a shot. See if it will work for you. If it doesn't, for whatever reason, you get your money back. There is no risk, no hard feelings or giving explanations, things like that. You've got 30 days money back guarantee. Now, since this program is new and I really want to provide value for you, I would like to offer a limited bonus for 100 entrepreneurs only. As you know, my specialty of expertise is marketing psychology. I will personally take a look at your startup and give you a marketing consultation. It may be related to anything, your sales funnel, your email sequence, your ads, your offer, and so on. But again, it's just for the first 100 entrepreneurs who request it. Not for the people who enroll, but the people who request it. When that number is filled up, I will just cut this part of the video and leave it like that. But if you're watching right now, it means there are spots available. The price tag of this marketing consultation is $997, but you will get it for free if you first join the program and second request it. Keep in mind that I teach thousands of students and those 100 spots will go out quickly. So go ahead and click the buy button now to reserve your spot. Again, here is what you're getting today. The entrepreneur who feels the fear but does it anyway, $97. The entrepreneur with a strong passion, $97. The entrepreneur who does it for the money, $67. The entrepreneur who delivers 10x value, $47. The entrepreneur has 24 hours a day, $87. The entrepreneur takes massive action, $47. The entrepreneur on a hunt for practical knowledge, $67. The entrepreneur has an opportunity radar, $37. These are the sections, and the limited bonus, my marketing consultation, if it is still available, $997. That's total value of $1,543. Okay, right now I would like to address some common questions that you might have. First, I didn't pay full price for the program, I bought it using a coupon code. Can I still take advantage of the free marketing consultation? The answer is yes. If you are one of the first 100 entrepreneurs who request the consultation, then you will receive it. However, if the spots are filled out, then I will simply respond to your request and tell you that there are no more spots available. The second question, what's the guarantee? You get 30 days money back guarantee. You can request a refund anytime within that period without even contacting me. If you're not satisfied for any reason, you just request your refund and get your money back. As I said, no hard feelings. So nothing to lose, just go ahead and click the buy button now. Are there any networking opportunities, or where do we hang out? I've created an exclusive Facebook group for this program. The moment you enroll, you will be able to access the group, and I'll provide you with and I will approve your request within 24 hours. This is a great place to share ideas and ask for feedback. The next question is, what's the length of the program? Are there any additional resources? The length of the program is 3 hours of HD video content. I use expensive equipment, so I believe you will be satisfied with the quality of the recordings. In addition, I've uploaded all the slides from the presentation, so you can download them on your computer for easier access. I'm not an entrepreneur yet, but I want to be. That's awesome. Would I benefit from the program? Well, the concepts explained in the program refer to both would-be entrepreneurs as well as current entrepreneurs. The sooner you understand and implement these concepts, the more you increase your chances of success. Alright, that's going to be all for this video. I would like to thank you for watching. If you decide to join, again, I'll be honored to have you on board. If you think this course is not for you for any reason, that's okay too. I sincerely wish you the best of luck. My name is Vladimir Rykov, and remember, stay purposeful.